So how to install MOHELA app? So MOHELA is dedicated to providing world-class customer service for the students whose loans you manage. As your knowledgeable and approachable go-to resource for account information and repayment options, we provide the tools to help you successfully repay your student loan. MOHELA app is here to assist. So yes, this app provides direct loan and FELP borrowers quick and secure account access. So yeah, just tap get, double click to install, and then that's the idea. So here you have this. This is quite popular app, as you can see, 33,000 ratings. And then you can log in or you can create new user. Just enter SSN, last name, date of birth, password, and then just tap register to create new account. So yeah, that's basically the idea, and that's basically how you get started here.